Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to install the AV1 codec in Windows 10. So the AV1 codec is generally not enabled by default, which is obviously probably one of the main reasons you're on the tutorial here. And we're going to go about how to install this AV1 codec, which is designed primarily for use on online streaming platforms. So we're going to go and jump right into it. And first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser. Does not matter which one. And we are going to paste a link I'm going to have in the description of my video. I want you guys to go ahead and paste this into the address bar. It should say AV1 Video Extension made by the Microsoft Corporation. Go ahead and select the Get button. Select Open Microsoft Store. You can close out or minimize a web browser at this time. Go and select the Get button. I'm going to select No Thanks. You don't need to do that. And then just give it a moment here to begin the download process. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So once you're done with that, what to just restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.